Before the history of exploring new lands by navigating the oceans, a few groups have excelled as seafaring explorers. Spain financed the first expedition around the world in 1521. The enterprise was led by Portuguese navigator Ferdinand Magellan. He started from Spain and went around Africa, came through past Australia, and then across the Pacific Ocean. From there he had to go down to the bottom of South America through the Straits of Magellan, named after him, and back to Spain. Things have changed since Magellan's day. Students can now go through the Suez Canal, which is here, or the Panama Canal, which is down in Central America. So instead of having to go all the way through the Straits of Magellan, students could cut through here, and rather than go all the way around Africa, you can plan your trip through here. But the tour is up to you depending on which countries you would like to visit. In this activity you'll be going to Google Maps, and from your location you'll need to enlarge your map by going up to the arrows and clicking it, and then we'll need to zoom out to find out where you are in the world. So click the minus sign and zoom out till you can see your location on the world. From there you'll be doing a screen capture and save this map to your folder. Now you'll need to go to the Paint program. Do that by clicking Start, go up to All Programs, then find the Accessories, and then find the Paint program. Once that comes up, click the Select icon, and you may right mouse click and paste your map on page. Now from this point, you can literally hold with the left button and move your map into position, because we're going to crop it. To do this, go back to your select icon and click it, and then we need to capture a section of this map. So press your left mouse button and hold it till you can capture the section of the map you need to make your drawing. Once you find that section you want, release your mouse, then do a right mouse click and copy it. Now once you copy your map, go up to Images and click it, go down to Attributes, and then type in 1, press your Tab button or capture your numbers, press in 1, click OK. Once you've done that, you can go up to Edit and then paste your map, and it'll be the size you need it to be. Now we need to save this to our folder. To do this, go up to File, go Save As. Now we need to find our folder, and it's important to click the white slot, let it open up, and we go to Desktop. On Desktop you'll be looking for your class folder, in this case it's 5th grade, and your personal folder. Make sure you name your file Voyage, and it's going to be a Pong file. So look through your options by clicking the slot and go down to Pong, because it allows you to draw and save in it. Now I'll click Save. Now you need to plan a voyage. To do this, click the pencil tool and then go down and choose the color you want to make your voyage line. This is my starting point, And I'm going to begin by going out the St. Lawrence Seaway into the ocean, and my first stop will be St. Thomas. Then I'll go across the Atlantic. My next stop will be at the Canary Islands. Keep in mind that you have options. You can go through the Panama Canal, you can go through the Suez Canal, up through the Mediterranean, or you can take the long route around Africa or around South America. Once you've stepped off your route, I want you to draw small rectangles where you'll be making stops, and make at least 6 stops. On my route, I'm going from St. Thomas to the Canary Islands, to the tip of Africa, and around the world past Australia and to New Zealand. But what I want you to do for this trip is to look at your scale and mark it off on a piece of paper and step off the distance of your entire trip. You might have to use segments of that line. I want to know how many miles your trip is around the world. Once you've stepped off your distance, place it in your daily log. Also be sure and save your work. You can do this by clicking the X, and then make sure you click yes so it's saved. And it should be in your folder.